What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in today. We got Robert right here. Basically what we're going to be doing today is, as you guys have seen from the last few days or from the last few videos, we've been sanding down the 350Z, and as a result of that I've had to tape a lot of the trim around the car, and the trim around the car is actually it's kind of messed up right now because I didn't take any of the tape off, and the sun, it's actually been it's been getting a lot hotter here in Southern California lately, and it's kind of like baked the tape to the trim of the car. So basically what me and Robert are going to do right now is we're going to take some Goo Gone and we're going to basically get all the adhesive off the plastic. As you can see, I was trying to take off this tape here and it's just leaving this terrible residue. So we're going to come through here with some Goo Gone and should be able to get it all. This side wasn't too bad. It left like a little line, so you know it shouldn't be too bad. We'll just, yeah, we'll get it. It won't be too bad. That's some really sticky tape, that like painter's tape or something. We also have some acetone right here, or no, it's nail polish remover, pretty much pure acetone. So we're gonna be taking some paper towels. Do you want to get some Goo Gone on here? Dump some. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's working. It's gonna take a little bit. Look at that. Ooh, it's dirty.
Ooh.
Oh, spotless.
There it is.
A little actually goes a long way.
I'm recording now.
We're live.
We are live on the action. JohnnyBrodersen, tell me what we're doing.
So right now, see, we got this sticky stuff from this, you know, leftover residue from the tape.
Looks like you're cleaning it up nicely though.
It's coming off actually pretty well.
What are you using today?
Goo Gone.
Alright.
Good old Goo Gone, you know?
Some good trusty stuff.
I was gonna use nail polish remover, but
honestly,
you know, this is what it used to look like. I mean,
ooh. Looks like you got some crusty layering right there.
just give it some wipes. Let me get some.
Back to our repair station.
Alright, guys. Pretty much got this side all done. We're gonna work on the other side for a little bit. And then we're actually gonna head over to this church parking lot down the street. And I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit as to what plans we're gonna be doing for the Z. I was thinking about maybe getting different wheels. So, sorry if it's a little windy. I don't have a mic on top of the camera or anything. So I was thinking maybe different wheels. Definitely still going with red, obviously. And then should we keep these little headlights?
Oh shoot.
These little, should we keep these? The eyelid things? You know, I think the eyelids look great, but you know, it's up to you guys. I think it looks pretty good, but let me know if we should keep them. We'll talk about it in a little bit here, but.
Hello.
Hello. All right, so we've decided we're just gonna knock this out real quick, cause why not?
Wait, when did we not decide that?
So basically what I've come to realize is like, I think these headlights get pretty hot, and so the tape is really, really melted, super melted to the plastic. So I'm just gonna dump Goo Gone all over it, and hopefully it works. You know, like I think it's gonna be fine. Okay, there we go. Let's just give it some.
Come on, give us some more elbow grease. What are you doing?
I'm trying, man. That's some tough tape right there.
Oh.
So, rule of thumb: if you guys are ever gonna, you know, tape your car for like, you know, sanding or, you know, for any reasons, remove the tape like the same day, or you'll be doing this. This is not fun. Oh. You guys, you see that? Just need a little more, something a little more intense.
Ooh, R.I.P. rag. Let me get a hand at that, jeez.
You wanna try?
Heck yeah, I wanna try.
You got this, man, I believe in you. Some acetone. Ooh. It's a little cold. The headlights are gonna be clean after this, that's for sure.
Dude, I don't want
I don't know, man. Alright guys, so we kind of came through here, got all the residue off that was left from the tape. As you can see, it's mostly clean now. And yeah, come around this side. Didn't have to tape up this side yet, which is nice, but this light, we did our best what we could. Underneath here, there was still stuff I just couldn't get. I'm gonna have to, when I take this off to repaint it, we'll get the rest of that tape under there, but for the most part, I think it looks good. Now, we're gonna head over to the parking lot down the road and talk a little bit about the future of this car. I might have an idea. Let's go talk about it over there, so. So we're back in the Z right now. Robert is actually gonna follow us over to this parking lot by this church, and we're gonna get out, we're gonna park the Z, and I wanna talk to you guys a little bit about, you know, the plans I have for this car. I have a few questions for you guys and, you know, stuff like that, so.
Oh, shoot.
Oh shoot, I need to mic myself. It's really windy over here.
You got some issues. We're getting a mic on there.
We are at the parking lot, the Mormon church. As you guys know, you guys have probably seen this parking lot. You know, if you're OGs from the channel, we've come here multiple times, but I just wanted to give you guys kind of an update of what I wanted to do with the 350Z as far as styling goes. So as you guys know, we're painting the car red. If you guys have seen any of the last videos, you know, obviously we're sanding the car, we're painting it red. I haven't decided quite yet if I'm going to be doing a darker red or a lighter red. I had a poll about, follow me, Robert. So I had a poll about a month ago, and I asked you guys if you wanted to see the car dark red or light red, and literally 65% of you guys said you wanted to see dark red. I think what I'm going to end up doing is going with a lighter red, just because we could always wrap it dark red, and I always thought like a really bright red looked just amazing. Let's walk around this side now. Look, I got this mobile tripod, you guys. Like Robert, shout out to him for helping me out today. You guys have seen these wheels. We've had these wheels for a long time. These are Renan CRL 70s. I've had them for seriously since I got the car, 2.5 years now. I absolutely love these wheels. So I think honestly, I'm either gonna keep them. Oh, see, this is where I need you guys' help, because I love silver wheels on a red car. I think I'm gonna have to stick with silver if we do change the wheels. I have no idea what I would change them to. So drop your comments down below if you have any ideas of what you wanna see. I'm totally down for anything. I think it looks great. Honestly, like the fitment is great. You know, it's cambered a little bit in the back. It's like 3 degrees or something, and like 2.5 in the front. So, you know, just like the perfect amount. I do have, in the videos coming, side splitters that I'm gonna be putting on the car here with a little wing. So it's gonna look pretty awesome. I'm super excited. And then also we have the rear diffuser coming from Street Aero, super aggressive rear diffuser. I'll put a picture of it right here just so you guys kind of have an idea, but a lot of people are gonna think it looks too aggressive, especially with this, you know, wing I have, but we'll just have to see how it looks. Do you guys wanna see a duckbill, or do you guys like this wing? I think it's really unique. I really haven't seen any other 350Zs running this type of wing, so, you know, I don't know. I think this wing looks really good. You know, I feel like it gives the car a good like slant angle from the side profile, if you know what I'm trying to say. And then once we get the rear diffuser on it, you know, the side profile is just gonna look that more aggressive. So this rear diffuser we're getting, it's gonna have this like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's just gonna look so great. It's gonna look so good. Come around this way, come around this way. Should we tint these? I know it's pretty popular to tint these, but I'm kind of digging the, you know, I'm kind of digging the clear. So it kind of matches. I always thought like the clear here, the silver wheels and the silver door handles kind of all, you know, they kind of mesh together, if that makes sense. You know, just like silver everywhere, I guess. But, you know, that's my rant, you guys. I hope you guys learned something in the video about, you know, my ideas and plans for the car. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's kind of like a little update on what I kind of want to do with the car. I definitely need your guys' help and opinions. Let me know down below what you guys want to see, because, you know, we can build this car together. Like, this is my build, but it's our build realistically. So let me know. I'm open for anything. I always love hearing what you guys have to say, because you guys have some insane ideas, you know, things that I've never seen before, and you know, that's what we're trying to do here, trying to be unique. So anyways, hit the thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and I'll answer them for you. And then please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love you guys to join the family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.